These glitch title templates will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Give path of template folder. Here all templates have been installed. Place any template on the timeline. Change text 1 and text 2 here. Text 1 and text 2 font can be changed from here. Here you can change text 1 and text 2 color, position, and scale. Text glow amount can be changed from here. You can scale and position animation from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.